All right, today I'm working on a 2004 Camry, and I'm gonna just show y'all how a thrust mount is broken. You can see this. It shouldn't do that. So I'm gonna replace this real quick. If I help y'all any kind of way, like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Without further ado, let's get to it. All right, you got two bolts you take out, 14 mils. Slides right out. As you can see, ain't nothing even holding it together. This is the new one. Solid. Basically, I'm just slide it in. Alright, I'm gonna get this in place and I'll be right back. Alright, I pretty much got it in place. Gotta kind of like beat it a little bit to line it up. Alright, that took every bit of 3 minutes. Pretty simple. As you can see, can't shake the engine no more. So this is the outcome of the old one. But if I helped y'all any kind of way, like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching my video. Y'all have a good day.